Welcome to our channel Kamal Star Chatore. Today we are going to make cake bites. See, very fluffy, very spongy cake bites today we are going to make with the simple ingredients which are available at home. Let us start. Let us see the required ingredients. Here we have taken 2 cup maida, 1 and half cup sugar, 1 cup oil, and 1 cup plus 2 tablespoon milk here, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 2 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vinegar, and 2 teaspoon vanilla essence. Let us start. We'll take a bowl and we'll take a strainer. Here we have taken one strainer and we'll take maida first, all purpose flour, that is refined flour. Then we'll take sugar, then we'll take cocoa powder, and this baking powder, and this baking soda. Now we'll sieve it. Now we have sieved this flour. Now we'll remove this strainer. Now we'll add oil to it. Oil or butter or ghee, whatever you can take, anything you can take. Only thing which you have to keep in mind is the right measurement. If measurement will not be right, then cake will not be soft and fluffy. So keep all the ingredients in the right measurement take. Now we'll add milk. See, now we'll mix it. See, now our batter is ready. Now we'll add vinegar to it. 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon, but any amount you can take. Now let us add. Now we'll add vinegar. And a pinch of salt. Now again we'll mix the batter, and now we'll grease our cake pot. We'll take a cake pot and we'll grease it. We have greased our cake pot, and now we'll put a little bit maida here. Now we'll do like that. We'll shake it. Maida should be all around. See, we have greased it, and we have coated it with a fine layer of maida, and then we'll dust it like that. Now our cake pot is ready. Now we'll pour this batter into this, but before that we'll add this vanilla essence in this batter. Now before pouring this batter into our cake pot, we'll turn on our oven. Let us on it. We have poured this batter into this cake pot, and now we'll take a cloth and we'll pat it like this. Now our cake batter is evenly distributed. Now see, now we'll keep it in the oven. Now our oven is ready. Now we'll put this cake batter into this. We have tapped it. Now we'll see after 10 minutes at the 180 °C we are heating it. Now see, our cake is ready now. Now we'll let it cool we'll keep it for few minutes. Then we'll take it out. Now in a bowl we'll take fresh cream, or you can take boiled milk cream, that is after boiling, and when we cool the milk, whatever cream, or in Hindi we say it malai, that you take in a bowl and mix sugar in it. Sugar you have to mix in it as much as it can assimilate. Let us see. Now we'll go on adding sugar in it till it is more sugar. Now we'll keep it in freezer for half hour so that it will be hardened. Till then we'll roll our Swiss roll, and we will add a teaspoon of vanilla essence in it. Added essence. Now we'll add a pinch of lemon color, lemon yellow. This lemon yellow color we'll add here, and we'll mix. Now we'll keep it in the deep freezer. We'll roll it, keeping the cake on the pastry roller. Pastry board we'll keep it, and we'll roll with this roller. And now we'll put this paste here. Now we'll roll it like that. Now we'll take it out on a plate, and we'll keep it in freeze. Now we'll shift it to a plate, and we'll keep it in freeze like that, and we'll wait for at least 1 hour and 1.5 hours, and then we'll cut it. Now from this plate we have shifted it to a polythene paper, and now we'll again roll it, and we'll keep it inside the fridge for 1 more hour, then we'll cut the Swiss roll. Now we have cut it, and now we'll shift it to a plate, and we'll serve it. See, now our yummy muffins, chocolate muffins are ready now. Once you will try this recipe, your children will love it, your family will love it, and you will be asked to make it again and again. So please make it and give me your feedback also in the comment section. And if you like my recipes, then please subscribe my channel and like my recipes and share my recipes further. Thank you for visiting my channel. Thanks.